Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to explain how you can use the free Kolscan website to track which tokens are being traded by the biggest memecoin traders. If you ever wondered which coins the insiders and influencers buy and sell in real time, this is the tool you need. Kolscan is basically a Solana wallet tracker that monitors the activities of the top memecoin traders. It provides real-time transactions, token profit and loss, and a leaderboard ranking their performance. Kolscan's name comes from the term key opinion leaders. KOLs are people who are well trusted and respected in the crypto community. They can be experienced content creators, analysts, developers, or project owners. Now, before I continue, let me say this for once and for all. Do not just copy trade any of these wallets. Instead, you should use Kolscan to see which coins are being bought at the moment and what the current narrative is. And then you can do your own research to see if the token has a future. Axiom and Padre both have a wallet tracker which is useful to get notified when a major trader is buying or selling. You should always be trading from your own perspective and conviction. The Kolscan homepage shows a live feed of memecoin trades happening right now. You can see who's buying, which tokens they grab, how much they spent and when it happened, sometimes just seconds ago. If you click on the trader's name, you can see more details like the amount of Solana in the wallet, the win rate, average duration, the top winners, and at the top you can check their Twitter or Telegram or copy their wallet address to add it into your copy trading bot. Very useful information and no complicated setup is needed. You can start browsing right away. Some features might require connecting your Phantom wallet if you want personalized tracking. The trade feed constantly updates. It's like a stock ticker but for meme coins. If you see several wallets buying the same token, that's a good hint that momentum is building. The token page has a list with low, mid-cap and high volume trading tokens. If you click on the token name, a window will open and take you to the Pump Fun or the Dex Screener token page. Copy the token address and if you open Axiom or Padre, the token will be ready to click and trade. The leaderboard ranks wallets based on their profits. Here you can see the top performing traders like Orangey and Cupsy who are making millions of dollars with meme coins. Study their moves or compare your strategy against theirs, but you're not limited to the top trading wallets. On the homepage you can use the search bar to check your own Solana wallet address or anyone else's. When you spot a new coin that was bought by a KOL, check if the liquidity is tradable or locked and look at the token distribution. Are whales holding too much tokens or is the supply evenly spread? Verify if it is a legit contract and not a rug pull. Kolscan usually gives basic token data, but you can cross-check with Dex Tools or Dex Screener or Token Sniffer. You can set up alerts for when certain wallets buy new tokens. This way you don't have to refresh all day, so you get notified when something happens. If you spot a good entry, double check the project on Twitter and visit the Telegram or the community. Track the exit signals if a KOL starts dumping and take your profits early. Kolscan allows you to watch your own performance, track your friends or follow influencers to see what they are trading. To review the token performance, just click on a token and Kolscan will show you the profit and loss data, making it easy to see if traders are winning or losing on that coin. Now, here's a key reminder, do not just copy trades blindly. Even the best traders lose money sometimes. Instead, use Kolscan as a confirmation and inspirational tool. Meme coins are risky, don't copy others but follow your own gut. If you need a fast and cheap trading bot, I recommend Padre. If you use my invitation link in the description below, you will get a 35% discount on your trading fees instead of the usual 10% if you don't use my link. Okay, that's it for now. I hope this video helped you out in any way. If you got something from my information, please leave a comment, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.